In this video, I'm going to show you how to add sounds in LMMS. Now, there's a bunch of different ways to do this. I'm going to show you the one I usually use and I think is actually the easiest to do. So, the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to the left-hand side and you want to click on this button over here, which is going to open up your samples. And then over here, you have like a bunch of different samples. So, in here, you have like a bunch of different sounds. For example, if I play any of these, you can hear it's basically playing here in the back. I could go and basically just put these onto here. So I can go and basically drag and drop them in here. And as you can see, I have it over here. This is my first sound. I could go and, for example, click anywhere, double click, and I can now edit this inside my piano roll over here. And then I can, of course, play this, and I've successfully added my sounds just like this, as you can hear right now. Now, that's one way to do this. However, if you want to add your own, your custom ones, the easiest way I find it is to actually put it inside the sound fonts. Let me show you how to do that as well. So I have one over here right now. But to do this, you essentially just want to open up the sound fonts folder. Usually, it is located within your documents folder on your computer. So let me actually open this up to show you. There we go. You want to go into your file explorer and you want to go into documents. From here, go to LMMS. And then here you want to go to samples, and from here sound fonts. Now in here for me it's currently empty. I'm going to drag in a sample I have over here. It's just a tutorial sound. There we go. It's now in here, and as you can see, it's been here. I can go ahead and close this. And if I were to, for example, add an instrument on here, which is this one over here, the SF2 player, I can just drag and drop it. I can click on it. And from here, I can open this specific file. As you can see, tutorial sound SF2 is over here. I can click on open, and there we go. It's going to open it up. And then I can now use the sound by double clicking anywhere in here. And as you can see, I can basically use that sound and create anything I want within this piano roll over here. And if I play this, there we go, you get the point. It basically added that specific sound within our SF2 player. So that's essentially how to do it. That's essentially how to add sounds. And of course, there's multiple different ways as well. You could just like put on an OGG file here inside a sample track, for example, like this. So I could click on a sample track. If you don't have it, add another one. You could go and click on it twice again. You can just find any of your like sounds. For example, I have some audio sample here. I can click on it, press open. There we go. It's going to pop it in there. There's like ways like this as well, but essentially those are the main ways you're going to be using. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.